Ang isang pinakamainit na issue sa local chief executives, galing ito sa Mindanao. Ang tatanong, Gov?
Yes, sir. Mr. Senator, before I proceed, let me take this opportunity to say thank you to you for sharing a portion of your pork barrel to Misamis Occidental. The next issue is about pork barrel. And for that issue, may I call on Mayor Abdul Karim Langkuno from Paglat, Maguindanao.
Thank you, Governor. Good morning, Mr. Senator. For in behalf of my colleagues, my question is about pork barrel. Dahil meron akong sad experience dito eh. I was supposed to give a project by two opposition senator and one party-list congressman. Binigyan na kami ng Xerox copy ng SARO at yung listing ng project. But later, when we made our follow-up in the DPWH, nalaman namin doon na hindi na pala ma-issue ng NCA dahil opposition pala yung senator sa kayong party list. Now, our question, Mr. Senator, will you continue the pork barrel system? If yes, what reforms will you introduce so that it can become more accountable and participatory?
Alam mo, maganda yung sinabi mo na yan. Dati naman kasi ganyan, na oposisyon, administrasyon, nire-release yan, na hindi ginagamit ang pork barrel para siguraduhin ang loyalty ng mga miyembro ng Kongreso. Dati ganyan. Ngayon, napunta na sa Pangulo yung power of the purse na labag sa ating konstitusyon. Pero anyway, ang sa akin lang kasi, yan magagamit mo yan, na marireforma mo yung pork barrel system. Kasi yan pwede magamit na development tool yan eh. Halimbawa, ang isang magiging Pangulo, dapat may strategy siya eh. Kung napakahalaga, sa aking sarili, napakahalaga sa akin na edukasyon. Ang pwede mong gawin, sa unang taon halimbawa, puro edukasyon muna halos ang pork barrel. Halimbawa, sige, pwede kayong maglagay kung saan nyo ilalagay ng barangay. Kayo magde-decide kung saan nyo lalagay ng barangay, pero puro eskwelahan. And therefore, pag unang taon, mawa-wipe out mo yung classroom backlog. So, nakakatulong sa strategy mo for national development. Nakakatulong ang pork barrel. At the same time, tuloy din. Kasi awa yan. Awa yan. Malamang wala kang budget. Pero, kaya namang i-reforma yan. Kayang i-reforma ang pork barrel. As a former speaker, I know it can be reformed. It can be done.
Thank you, Mr. Senator.
Okay, thank you. We've done